everything we've done so far can be done without the need to connect to the target network. Now, once we connect to the network, we can do so many cool things. We'll be able to gather so much more info. We'll be able to intercept the connections and see everything that the people send, whether it's usernames, passwords, URLs, or anything really. We'll also be able to modify the data, and you'll see all of this in the next section of this course. Now, if your target does not use encryption, then you can just connect to it. If your target is a wired network, then you can just use a cable and connect to it and move to the next section. The only problem is if your target is using encryption. So, in this section, I'm going to show you how to break that encryption and gain access to Wi-Fi networks, whether they use WEP, WPA, or WPA2. Once we get the key, we'll be able to connect to the network, and you'll be able to do all of the things that you'll learn in the next section, in the post-connection section.